Hello, my name is Jason, and I'm here to help you get started with IPQualityScore for Shopify. IPQualityScore allows you to actively prevent fraudulent purchases on your Shopify store by using cutting-edge email and IP address validation to provide real-time fraud scores. If you're new to IPQualityScore, integrating Shopify is simple, quick, and easy. Head over to our Shopify app page as shown on screen and click the Get button to begin. Shopify will then ask you if you'd like to give IPQualityScore permission to review your orders and customer data. Go ahead and click on the Install App button as shown. Once you've done this, it will take you to IPQualityScore's dashboard. IPQualityScore has a variety of different features to help you mitigate fraud. We'll go over some of these features. But at this point, we're going to cut the video and submit some test orders on Shopify to show you an example of exactly how IPQualityScore integrates with Shopify. Here is an example order we submitted. Our system reviewed this order and deemed it was a medium risk order. We recommend reviewing all medium risk orders by hand and denying most high risk orders. On our site, you can review the information we've collected. First, we'll take a look at our proxy detection system to review how it can help you detect fraud and overview some of your shop's statistics. If you click on the proxy link on the left-hand side, you'll be taken to an overview screen where it will show you your fraud averages for IP addresses over the last 7 days, as well as your percentages of low, medium, and high-risk users. It also shows the most recent lookups we've done when reviewing your orders. For a more in-depth look, you can take a look under the Advanced Reports tab. The Advanced Reports tab allows you to search through your customers' scores by order ID, user ID, customer first name, or customer last name. Under the Statistics tab, you can review information about your customers to show your score breakdowns by day, your fraud score averages by country, and your order numbers by country. Next, you can review your email address validity and look over a quality breakdown under the Email Verification API tab on the left. From here, you can once again go into Advanced Reports to overview customer email validity. All of our APIs support CSV exports, as well as a wide variety of charts, graphs, and statistics designed to help you catch as much fraud as possible. If you have any questions about our service or have suggestions on how we can improve, feel free to contact us by submitting a ticket under the support section of our website. Lastly, you can edit your account information under the Account Settings tab to control your email notifications, what variables we collect, and to enable or disable email or IP verifications for your Shopify integration. We sincerely hope you'll enjoy using IPQualityScore, and we encourage you to utilize our tools to help you prevent fraud, enhance your business, and minimize your losses.